Hi everybody, my name is Aaron Walston. I am a fourth grade math teacher and science teacher at Napoleon. It's in Ohio, it's Northwest Ohio. We're a district of about, we have a graduating class of roughly 170 kids. Um, Currently, I am on the building leadership team. I am also on the district leadership team. It's a smaller group of teachers, two per building, that get together and make some decisions for the district. I'm also our TBT or teacher-based team facilitator. It's just essentially the math and science department for fourth grade, and just facilitating our meetings. My experience with technology, I definitely use it in the classroom. I use it for many different things. I use it for assessments, projects, file sharing with students, videos, organizing, Google Classroom, students creating things, just a whole bunch of different opportunities for kids to use technology in the classroom, and I use it right along with them. Some of my administrative uses are I use it for grades. We use it for team notes, and the team notes we share with each other, so we're kind of like myself and my coworkers, we can all be typing in there at the same time. This could be along with our building leadership team and our district leadership team meetings, and then we use those to distribute to the entire district. I use it for intervention tracking, so whenever I intervene with students, I track it in a spreadsheet. I've also got school decisions for tech needs. That's another thing I do on the district leadership team, is we're given opportunities to make decisions for the school based on what we think the needs are. We get information from teachers, from the tech department, and then we make those final decisions. And then working with students to program drones. This is another thing I do. I'm actually currently the drone coach, drone racing team coach. And I work with these students to program the drones. We use a program called Beta Flight to calibrate the drones. I coach players about drone usage, which could be like different opportunities where they could use drones out in the real world. So not only do I use technology in the classroom, but can I also use it slightly out of the classroom for extracurricular activities. Some things that I hope to gain the knowledge of after this course. It was pretty much to how to incorporate tech in my classes. Like, how can I incorporate that technology in my classroom? That was big for me. I wanted to be able to learn new technology and be able to actually incorporate it better in my classroom. I can always have it in my class, but I wanted to know the best way to do it. And then I also wanted to learn how to train and guide other teachers to better technology usage. I know that I thought I did an okay job. I wanted to learn to do a better job. And I also wanted to be able to take my knowledge that I would gain from this master's degree and be able to help other teachers do the same. And then I also wanted to learn pretty much new and improved pedagogy when it comes to teaching and using technology in the classroom. I definitely chose this program to hopefully become a tech coach one day. So I would like to become a technology coach. If not, I'm definitely going to stay in the classroom. So it's like, if I stay in the classroom, that'll be great. If I become a technology coach, that would be great. Just whatever opens up. But I'd like to learn how to teach teachers how to incorporate technology in their instruction. I know you can always add technology, but adding technology isn't always the best. You have to be able to kind of incorporate it in a very good way. Some of my biggest challenges that I have right now in my current position are creating and helping other teachers implement technology in their instruction. I can do it, and I can teach them and work them through. So essentially what happens is I'll make something for my lessons, and we share our lessons in our grade level. So I'll share it with them, but then I have to also then teach them how to use that technology in the classroom. And for me it can be simple because I created it and I knew what to do, but I know that other people may struggle with when to use it, when not to use it, that sort of thing. Teaching them is not a problem. It's finding that time to do it. So you've got to do it after school, or you have to do it your planning time, so you're losing this time to do it. But I also like to do it because I feel like it's beneficial for the students. And one of the last things is the money issue. I mean, all districts are hurting for money, it always seems like. So when it comes to implementing technology, or I'd like to do some sort of program, our district doesn't always have the money to be able to do it. Some of my future plans, I would hopefully like to convince my district that we would need a technology coach. Right now we just have 2 technology guys that work in the department, and what they do is they have help tickets. So if somebody has something messed up, they go help them. They set up programs. They work with the state test at the end of the year. But I would like to see our district moving forward and creating a position that would incorporate a technology coach that helps teachers bring technology into their lessons and using it appropriately. And that's what I would like to do, and bring it all back to that whole curriculum piece, rather than just incorporating technology, bring it in a very good way and using the correct ISTE standards. Alrighty, thank you.